Hi there, welcome back to English Simplified channel. In this session we are going to learn and understand just, yet, still, and already in present perfect tense. Do you know how to use just, yet, still and already with the present perfect? Before we talk about them one by one, look at these examples to see how just, yet, still, and already are used. I've just seen Sai. He's really enjoying his new job. We haven't decided what to do yet. I still haven't called Yumi to see how she is. I've already had lunch, but I'll join you for coffee. What do you think about these 4 sentences? Do you get the meaning and understand their differences? Now let's check when and how to use them. We often use just, yet, still and already with the present perfect because they are related to the present moment, and here is how to use them. Let's begin with just. Just used with the present perfect means a short time before. See these examples. I have just seen Susan coming out of the cinema. Mike has just called. Can you ring him back, please? Have you just taken my pen? Note. Just comes or is placed after the auxiliary verb have or has and before the past participle or verb 3. As you can see in the first example, the word just is after the auxiliary have, and in the second example just is placed after the auxiliary has. While in the third example, the word just is before the past participle or verb 3, taken. Alright, now let's see the meaning and how to use yet. Yet is used with the present perfect means at any time up to now. We use it to emphasize that we expect something to happen soon. Yet, in this context, is only used in negative sentences and questions form or interrogative sentence. See the examples below. Have you finished your homework yet? I haven't finished it yet. I'll do it after dinner. Where's Sam? He hasn't arrived yet. Note. Yet comes at the end of the sentence or question. Now let's continue to the meaning and how to use still. Still is used with the present perfect means that something hasn't happened. We use it to emphasize that we expected the thing to happen earlier. Still, in this context, is only used in negative sentences. See the examples below. I've been waiting for an hour and the bus still hasn't come. They promised me that report yesterday, but they still haven't finished it. She still hasn't replied to my email. Maybe she's on holiday. Note. Still comes after the subject of the sentence and before the auxiliary have or has. As we can see in the first sentence, still comes after the bus, in which it is the subject of the sentence the bus still hasn't come, and before the auxiliary has. In the second example, still comes after the subject they and before the auxiliary have. And in the third example, still is after the subject she and before the auxiliary has. Okay, now let's see the meaning and how to use already. Already is used with the present perfect means before or now. We use it to emphasize that something happened before something else or earlier than expected. See the examples below to help you have better understanding. I have already spent my salary and it's 2 weeks before payday. He wanted to see Sudden Risk, but I have already seen it. The train has left already. Note. Already can come between the auxiliary and the main verb or at the end of the clause. As in the first example, already is between the auxiliary have and the main verb spent. In the second example, already is between the auxiliary have and the main verb seen. While in the third example, already is in the end of the sentence or clause. So what comes to your mind? Have you understood their meaning and how to use them? Try to do this quiz to strengthen your understanding. You can check and compare your answer in the end of this video. Good luck. 1. She told me they sent the exam results last week, but mine, blank, haven't arrived. A. Yet. B. Still. C. Already. D. Just. Two. Have you eaten blank? If not, we can go to that new Italian place. Three. Have they blank finished redecorating your house? That was quick. A. Yet. B. Still. C. Already. D. Just. 4. I haven't seen the new Marvel film, blank. Do you want to go and see it this week? A. Just. B. Yet. C. Still. D. Already. Five. Oh, what a surprise. I've blank seen your sister. Is your whole family here too? A. Just. B. Yet. C. Still. D. Already. Six. It's her birthday tomorrow and I blank haven't got her a present. A. Just. B. Yet. C. Still. D. Already. 7. I doubt he wants to sell that phone. He's only blank bought it. A. Just. B. Still. C. Already. D. Yet. 8. I called to make an offer on the flat, but it's blank been sold. A. Yet. B. Still. C. Already. D. Just. And here is the key answer. 1. She told me they sent the exam results last week, but mine still haven't arrived. 2. Have you eaten yet? If not, we can go to that new Italian place. 3. Have they already finished redecorating your house? That was quick. 4. I haven't seen the new Marvel film yet. Do you want to go and see it this week? Five. Oh, what a surprise. I've just seen your sister. Is your whole family here too? 6. It's her birthday tomorrow, and I still haven't got her a present. 7. I doubt he wants to sell that phone. He's only just bought it. 8. I called to make an offer on the flat, but it's already been sold. That's all for this session, and see you my other English video tutorial.